In this lesson, we will simplify expressions by combining like terms and prove equivalence of a resulting expression. So, before you do that, I want to clear up some misconceptions that you may have about expressions that look like these three. So in the first one, it reads x plus x. Sometimes people assume that that just means you get x. Now, if you don't have a number here, a coefficient, like a number that you're multiplying by, then in both of these terms, x and plus x, remember that you can always place a 1 there. 1 times a number plus 1 times a number equals 2 times a number. Alright? In this second one, or the second one reads y plus 2y plus 1 plus 5. So we have a y term, another y term, a constant, and another constant. So we are going to combine y with plus 2y. Don't forget that you have one copy of y. So one copy of a number plus 2 copies of that number gives you 3 copies of that number. And then we have plus 1 plus 5, which is plus 6. This last expression reads 4 minus w minus 2w plus 3 minus 8. So we have 4 minus a number minus 2 times that same number plus 3 minus 8. We have a minus w, which is minus 1 copy of w, minus 2w, so we have minus 1w, minus 2w, that means we get minus 3w. And now we have 4 plus 3 minus 8, so 4 plus 3 gives you 7. Minus 8 gives you negative 1. So we write minus 1. Alright, so now let's go ahead and provide some proof for some way that we can sort of check our answer. Now, this expression reads 2x plus 3x minus 4. So we have three terms. We have a 2x plus 3x minus 4. 2x plus 3x gives you a 5x, and we have a minus 4 sitting there by itself. Alright, so the first expression that we're given is 2x plus 3x minus 4. We end up simplifying it to the form 5x minus 4. What we're really trying to say is that the expressions 2x plus 3x minus 4 and 5x minus 4, we're trying to say that this expression here and this simplified version are equivalent. They just look different. Okay? Well, what's one way we can sort of provide some proof of that? Well, instead of putting x, we're going to substitute in a value for x. So let's make x, what's not here? Like 5? X. Oh, 5's down here though, so let's use like 6. Alright, so instead of writing 2x plus 3x minus 4, I'm going to write 2 times 6, because remember 6 is what we made x, plus 3 times 6 minus 4. Alright, so that means that instead of writing 5x minus 4, or 5 times a number minus 4, we're going to write 5 times 6 minus 4. And we should get the same answers right here as right here. The same answers, because they're equivalent. 2 times 6 is 12. plus 3 times 6 is 18. 12 plus 18 is 30. And 30 minus 4 is 26. Alright. We should get the same answer over here. 5 times 6 is 30. 30 minus 4 is 26. So these are the same. These are equivalent. That means no matter basically what number you put in, you'll get the same answers between these two. Like you'll put it, if you put in like a 5, you're not going to get a 26, but whatever you get will be the same over here also. Okay, let's do one more. So we have the expression 5 minus 3w minus 2 minus w. So we have 5 minus 3 times a number minus 2 minus that same number. We have two w terms. One is negative 3w, negative 3 times the number, minus one copy of that number later on. So we have negative 4 times that number. Now we have 5 minus 2 left, which is plus 3. Remember that this is the simplified version of this expression. This expression and this expression are equivalent. The expressions 5 minus 3w minus 2 minus w and negative 4w plus 3 are equivalent. Equivalent, yes. They just look different. Let's prove that. So let's make it 4. And let's use down there. I don't want to go too large. So x equals 4. 5, instead of writing w, I'm going to write 4 minus 2 minus. For now, it's safe, and I want you to substitute in, to put parentheses around the 4, just so I can see where you're substituting. Okay? That should be equivalent to negative 4 times 4 plus 3. Remember, we just substituted in 4 for the w's. This was w, this was w, this was w. So, order of operations. Let's multiply here first. So minus 3 times 4. Negative times a positive is a negative 12 minus 12. And right here, if you want to, well, if you can think, you can about 2 ways. You're just subtracting 4, so it's minus 4, or you can think minus 1 times 4, negative 1 times 4 is minus 4. So 5 minus 12 minus 2. Alright, so 5 minus 12 is negative 7. Negative 7 minus 2 is negative 9. And negative 9 minus 4 is negative 13. Okay. We should get the same answer here. Negative 4 times 4 is positive 16. Oh, negative 16. Because the negative into positive is negative. Negative 16 plus 3 is negative 13. Once again, we get the same answer. Alright, thank you.